Well, we've got at the lowest rate we can get on the market, a 2-year remortgage at 75%. We're down at 3.95, 3.96 for a 5-year. Interesting thing at the moment is that 2-year rates for the first time have come now below 5-year rates. Historically, that never happened. 2-year rates were always lower than 5. But it's taken since the rate adjustments and the increases in base rates, it's taken that, which is a number of years now. It's taken up that until now for that adjustment to go back to where we would expect it. So 2-year rates now are slightly lower than 5-year rates. What that tells us, we don't really know. What you still got to look at your own situation. But 2-year and 5-year rates being below 4%, that's great money. Historically, that's really, really good money. I think when it goes down now, something else to throw in the melting pot, it's really, really good for the market going forward. For a mover, you can get a 3.86 2-year rate. If you haven't quite got that sort of deposit, you're up at 90%. So you're still looking at a 2-year rate of 4.18, 5-year at 4.19. Now that's with a 10% deposit. I think that's brilliant. I think that's really, really good money. The difference between the two is minimal, really. And that's really good. Even up at 95%, so you're generally for first-time buyers, 2-year rate 4.7. I think that's really, really good. That not quite so attractive. So if you can get that extra 5%, it's definitely worth it. I tell any first-time buyers, you are going to get the better rates starting with a 10% deposit and then drop down, but it doesn't actually make that much difference between 90 and a 75% mortgage. So that's quite interesting in itself. Clearly, if you can get the bigger deposit, the better.